Welcome back to Tools Inspector. Want to transform your car into the ultimate driving machine? Watch till the end. Number 1. OTTOCAST U2 Air Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Imagine stepping into your car and your phone connects instantly. No cables, no hassle. The OTTOCAST U2 Air transforms your wired CarPlay system into a fully wireless experience within seconds. Simply plug it into your car's USB port and enjoy automatic connection every time you start the engine. With fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it delivers smooth navigation, music streaming, and calls without lag. Online updates keep the device improving over time, making it a simple but powerful upgrade for any compatible car. Number 2. When it comes to safety and evidence on the road, the Vantrue N4 Pro S is a serious powerhouse. This dash cam records 4K front video, plus interior and rear cameras, giving you complete 360-degree coverage of your vehicle. Advanced Starvis 2 sensors and HDR night vision ensure clear footage even in low light. Voice control lets you save recordings without touching the device. Number 3. Nulaxy KM18 Bluetooth FM transmitter. Turn any old car stereo into a modern Bluetooth audio system in seconds. The Nulaxy KM18 plugs into your cigarette lighter and connects to your phone via Bluetooth 5.4 for stable music streaming and hands-free calls. The flexible gooseneck design lets you adjust the display for easy viewing while driving. It can also play music from USB, AUX, or TF cards, making it incredibly versatile. With a built-in charger and clear display, it's a tiny gadget that massively upgrades your car's audio experience. Number 4. Carpuride Portable Wireless CarPlay Screen. Want Apple CarPlay or Android Auto without replacing your car's factory stereo? The Carpuride Portable Screen makes it possible. This 7-inch smart display mounts easily on your dashboard and instantly adds navigation, music apps, calls, and voice assistance to any vehicle. Wireless connectivity keeps your setup clean and simple. It also supports Bluetooth audio output, so you can connect it to your car speakers. Number 5. Anker Prime MagSafe Car Mount Charger. Charging your phone while driving should be fast, secure, and effortless, and Anker delivers exactly that. This Qi 2 certified MagSafe charger snaps your iPhone into place with strong magnets for a perfect hold. It delivers up to 25W fast wireless charging, keeping your phone powered even during navigation. The built-in cooling system prevents overheating for safer charging. Mounted on your air vent, it keeps your phone at eye level for safe driving and easy access. Number 6. BESTEK 300W Pure Sine Wave Power Inverter. Sometimes you need real power inside your car, and this inverter makes it possible. The BESTEK converter turns your car's 12V outlet into a 110V AC power source, allowing you to charge laptops, cameras, and other electronics. Pure Sine Wave output protects sensitive devices and ensures stable performance. Number 7. KMMOTORS Aladdin Car Trash Can. Keeping your car clean can be surprisingly difficult, but this simple gadget solves the problem instantly. The KMMOTORS Aladdin Trash Can fits neatly inside your car and keeps garbage organized instead of scattered everywhere. Its sturdy design prevents spills, while the included trash bags make replacing liners quick and easy. The compact size works perfectly for daily commutes or long road trips. It's a small accessory that makes a huge difference in keeping your car tidy. Number 8. ComfiLife Premium Gel and Memory Foam Seat Cushion. Long drives can put serious pressure on your back and hips, but the ComfiLife seat cushion changes that completely. Made with gel-infused memory foam, it provides excellent support and helps reduce pressure on the spine. It's especially helpful for people dealing with lower back pain or sciatica during long trips. The non-slip bottom keeps it securely in place on your car seat. If comfort matters during your daily commute, this cushion is a game changer. Number 9. WHHMK Car Tissue Holder Organizer. Tissues are one of those things you always need in the car, but rarely store properly. This premium PU leather tissue holder keeps them neatly organized behind your seat. It fits standard tissue packs and blends perfectly with most car interiors, The sleek rectangular design keeps your cabin looking clean and clutter-free. Whether you need it for quick cleanups, sneezes, or spills, it keeps tissues within easy reach. Number 10. Motivx Tools Oil Filter Wrench Toyota. If you own a Toyota and do your own maintenance, this tool can save you serious frustration. The Motivx Oil Filter Wrench is precision machined from aluminum and designed specifically for Toyota engines. Its 64mm 14-flute design ensures a perfect fit on compatible oil filter housings. That means no slipping, no damage, and much easier oil changes. For DIY mechanics, it's a small but essential garage tool. Number 11. YONHAN 10-amp Smart Battery Charger. Dead batteries are one of the most common car problems, but this smart charger helps prevent that completely. The YONHAN charger automatically detects battery condition and adjusts charging accordingly. It supports 12V and 24V batteries, making it useful for cars, motorcycles, and even trucks. Built-in temperature compensation protects your battery in extreme weather. It can also function as a battery maintainer to extend battery life. Number 12. BILITOOLS Adjustable Oil Filter Wrench. Struggling with a stubborn oil filter can turn a simple oil change into a frustrating job. The BILITOOLS Adjustable Oil Filter Wrench is designed to make that process quick and effortless. Its universal design fits oil filters ranging from 2.5 to over 5 inches in diameter. The strong steel construction ensures durability and excellent grip when removing tight or stuck filters. Number 13. NOCO Genius 1 Smart Battery Charger. A weak battery can leave you stranded at the worst possible moment, but the NOCO Genius 1 helps prevent that problem completely. This compact yet powerful smart charger works with both 6V and 12V batteries, including lead-acid and lithium types. It automatically monitors battery health and adjusts the charging process to prevent overcharging. Built-in desulfation technology can even help restore older batteries. Despite its small size, it's an incredibly rel. Number 14. XSTRAP Ratchet Tie-Down Straps. When you need to transport cargo safely, strong tie-down straps are essential. The XSTRAP ratchet straps provide secure tension to keep loads from shifting during transport. With 15-foot length and high brake strength, they're perfect for motorcycles, appliances, or heavy equipment. The ratchet mechanism allows you to tighten the straps quickly and securely. It's a simple but incredibly useful tool for anyone who moves cargo. Number 15. Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder. Long road trips become much easier when passengers have entertainment. The Lamicall Headrest Tablet Holder securely mounts tablets to the back of your seat. It supports devices from 4.7 to 13 inches, including iPads and Fire tablets. The foldable design allows easy adjustment for the perfect viewing angle. For families with kids in the back seat, this gadget can turn long drives into peaceful journeys.